Alright, we're about to finish printing our first thing in our MakerBot. It's called Chain Links.
Whoa.
It says on the little screen down here. Oh, it said we love making things. It took 10 minutes to build.
Build finished. Can you touch it? Is it hot?
Comes right off. Should come right off.
Oh my god, it's so cool! Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Want to rip the extra thing off?
Oh yeah.
So what do you think of the store?
I think it's freaking awesome. There we go.
Just what we need. Some
Some plastic
Before there was
chain link.
nothing, and now we have new chain link.
That is so neat.